Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I'm back. Just want to show you guys another proof payment that my virtual assistant, Ava, has closed another sale for me on autopilot, actually before my feet hit the ground this morning. If you haven't looked into text message marketing, you're missing out, guys, because everybody has a smartphone. This system will close the sales for you, okay, without you ever speaking to anyone, okay? This is on autopilot. So I just want to come back and show you this once again. Go ahead and get started with this. It's only $150. You make $100 every time someone signs up. Every time Ava signs someone up for you without you speaking to them. Okay? So check it out. Okay? Take a look at the screen. As you can see, at 9:05, they signed up. 9:09, $100 hit my account. 9:13, the system notified me that the money was on the way. Done deal. I never spoke to this person. Okay, so you definitely want to check this out. If you're looking for a way to make some extra income from home on autopilot, let Ava close all the sales for you with text message marketing. Here it is. I'm going to put the link below. Go check it out. Click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? I'll see you guys on the next video. Ava's going to close all your sales as well. You guys have a blessed day.